and moon. Sunrise 5:57 a.m. Sunset 6:17 p.m. Moonrise 12:59 p.m. Moonset 9:58 p.m. Tithi lunar day. Shukla Saptami, the seventh day of the Shukla Paksh, waxing moon, until 7:15 p.m., followed by Shukla Ashtami. Significance: Shukla Saptami is a good day for religious rituals, particularly those involving the worship of the sun god. It's favorable for health-related activities, spiritual practices, and long-term planning. Nakshatra, lunar mansion. Jyesht Nakshatra until 11:19 a.m., followed by Mula Nakshatra. Jyesht associated with power, leadership, and overcoming challenges. It's a good time for taking charge and handling tasks that require authority. Mula, known for transformation and new beginnings. It's an ideal time for spiritual growth and leaving behind what no longer serves. Yoga, Vaidhriti Yoga until 10:10 a.m., followed by Vishkumbha Yoga. Vaidhriti Yoga creates challenges and obstacles, so it's advised to approach tasks cautiously. Vishkumbha Yoga, favorable for achieving success through hard work and persistence. Karana, Kalva Karana until 12:34 p.m., followed by Tatila Karana. Kalva, ideal for nurturing relationships and engaging in social activities. Tatila, favorable for tasks that require a strong foundation and careful planning. Paksh, Shukla Paksh, the waxing phase of the moon, associated with growth, prosperity, and positive expansion. Samvatsara, Shaka Samvat 1946, Krodhi. Vikram Samvat 2081, Pingala. Gujarati Samvat 2080, Rakshasa. Auspicious timings: Shubh Muhurt, Brahma Muhurta 4:27 a.m. to 5:13 a.m., ideal for meditation and spiritual activities. Abhijit Muhurt 11:45 a.m. to 12:36 p.m., a highly auspicious time for making important decisions and starting new ventures. Amrit Kalam 5:18 p.m. to 6:56 p.m., another favorable time for significant activities, ensuring success. Inauspicious timings: Dur Muhurtam, Rahu Kalam 7:32 a.m. to 9:07 a.m., avoid starting new tasks or ventures during this period. Yamaganda 10:41 a.m. to 12:16 p.m., another inauspicious time for major activities. Gulikai Kalam 1:50 p.m. to 3:25 p.m., not favorable for starting new projects. Planetary positions: Sun, Surya in Leo, Sinha. Moon, Chandra in Sagittarius, Dhanu, transitioning from Jyesht to Mula Nakshatra. Mars, Mangal in Taurus, Vrishbha. Mercury, Buddha in Leo, Sinha. Jupiter, Guru in Taurus, Vrishbha. Venus, Shukra in Leo, Sinha. Saturn, Shani in Aquarius, Kumbha. Rahu in Pisces, Meena. Ketu in Virgo, Kanya. Additional observations: Chandra Rashi, Moon sign, Sagittarius, Dhanu, throughout the day. Disha Shul, direction to avoid for travel. East, traditionally, travel towards the east is avoided on this day. Season, Ritu, Varsha Ritu, monsoon season symbolizing renewal, growth, and nurturing energy. Significance of the day: Monday, Somavara ruled by the moon. This day is associated with emotions, nurturing, and healing. It's a great day for self-care, family matters, and activities that require emotional sensitivity. Jyesht Nakshatra promotes leadership and handling responsibilities. Mula Nakshatra favors transformation and new beginnings, making it ideal for spiritual progress. Good and bad yogas. Good yoga, Vishkumbha Yoga, promotes success through dedication and hard work. Bad yoga, Vaidhriti Yoga, can bring challenges, so it's advised to handle tasks with care during this period.